Habits are what you do every day, not what you plan to do. Hello, friends. Welcome to day 23 of AI for Productivity. And yesterday we spoke about consistency, and today let's talk about habits. That's the little thing that shapes your future. So, habit are automatic action that either builds you or break you. And AI can help you replace a bad habit with a better one. So, let's try that out. Our prompt for today is I want to stop procrastination and start being proactive. So suggest a simple 7 days plan to help me change, right? So you can change this from procrastination to whatever you are struggling with. That bad habits, that's where it's going to be. So I want to stop, you put the bad habits there and start the good habits you want to replace that bad habit with. So the point is replacing the habits. We can't eliminate the habits totally, right? Because of you always it's better you just replace it with something else because that space cannot be vacant. So for instance, maybe you want to stop smoking. So whenever you want to, you have that urge of smoking, probably you might just keep yourself engaged with something that would keep it off your mind. Maybe reading or, or cut off some people, so you have to just replace it with something. You want to stop endless scrolling. Maybe when I should be strolling on the internet, okay, I would rather do this instead. So you're replacing it with another habit that will be beneficiary to you on the long run. You get what I'm saying? So that's what we're trying to do. Right. So we click on enter. So and here's our response. So let's just scroll down and read. So 7 days plan to stop procrastination, become proactive. Okay. So you said day one, identify your biggest time killer. Okay. So tax, write down the top three things that distract you most. Instagram, TikTok, chatting, sleep, Netflix, laziness feelings. So know your enemy so you can fight them. So since you know these are the guys that make you procrastinate, probably steal your time, right? These guys that kills your time and make you delay on everything. I'll do it later. So you know them and you know how to. So you can know how to tackle them one by one. So the three says do one task immediately in the morning. So immediately you wake up, do one task, and it says before 10 a.m. you don't do that task. Probably the biggest task you had to do that day. So starting with the highest priority. Right, the three set 3 days priority. Okay, so set three daily priority here. So each night, write down just three things you must do tomorrow. So make sense. So attend class, do assignment, laundry. So he's giving us this list based on our history or conversations. He remembers what we are and what we do, right? So and what else do we have here? So this the goal is to help you reduce confusion and reduce the procrastination as well. So therefore use the 10-minute rule. Okay. So we're going to use the 10-minute rule. So when you don't feel like doing something, tell yourself, I'll just do 10 minutes only, right? So most times you'll continue after the 10 minutes. Okay. So we can try that out. So whenever you feel like procrastinating, like okay, probably you don't feel like doing it, just talk to yourself. Okay, let me just do 10 minutes only. I don't feel like reading. Let me just do 10 minutes. Say, eventually you end up doing more than 10 minutes, and at least by then you would have completed the task or at least gotten to some certain point in that task. So he said reduce social media trap. Okay. So set to fix social media time. Explain example rather. So 12 p.m. you just want to engage and just keep your mind on, check one or two things, and then 8 p.m. So turn off notification during study time. So which makes sense. Protect your time so you can act and not stroke. Makes sense. So create tomorrow's plan tonight. So whatever you're gonna do tomorrow, once you plan it tonight, it becomes easier. So you just go ahead with your the two priorities, class and all that. So the seven says reward yourself plus reflect. So do something enjoyable, food, outing, nap, football, whatever that you enjoy doing. Right now by the seven, that's weekend already now. So that's probably Sunday. That's if you start on Monday. And if not, you just balance this whole thing. So and it has this question, what did I do well this week? Which is just like our reminder when we say the truth, that our review every evening, what we did, well, the important things we need to do and all that. So I think that's all for today. So tomorrow we're going to talk about how to track your progress with AI and stay motivated. Live love and harmony. Thank you.